Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Victoria. Before I get into this video, I just want to say something real quick. Just want to apologize for being absent last week. As most of you know, a lot of things are going on in America right now, and I'm going to be honest with you guys. I can't even fathom what's been going on in America lately, and it's been so depressing. I couldn't make myself make a video as much as I wanted to. I've been so sad, and I don't want to be unauthentic with you guys. I want to be as real as possible. So I needed to take a little bit of a break, and I also didn't feel right posting something while our country is mourning at the moment, and I didn't feel right. So today I'm making this video to A, do a little makeup therapy sesh for myself, and B, I feel like I'm not the only one out there who has been upset with everything that's been going on, and some of y'all might need a little bit of a break from the real world. If I can distract you guys from just for a little bit from the hurt and pain that you're going through, that would make my whole day. So yeah, I'm not going to say anything else about this just because I don't want to get depressed again, and yeah. So anyways, I'm going to stop rambling, and I'm going to stop being a sad little boy, and I'm going to get into this video. Today I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Carli Bybel palette. This thing is amazing. I just got it in the mail the other day because before I had this huge sale. As most of you guys know in the makeup community, it was crazy. If you'd like to see me do a haul video, let me know and I will show you what I got. But I thought this would be a good opportunity for me to dive into this palette, create a look, and show you guys what I came up with. I will be going in with a big fluffy brush, and I will be using the shade Bare, which is an eggshell color, and that'll be a good way to set my primer on my eyes. This will prevent any creasing. Okay, so next I will be going in with the shade Bybel, which is this mauve purpley brown color, and it's really pretty. I'll be using the same brush for that. This time I'll be starting on the outer corner of my eye and then moving it out throughout my crease. Notice as I'm blending it out and kind of smoking it out. Next I will be going in with the shade Chai, which is a very pretty burnt orange color. And I will be using the same fluffy brush. And with this shade, I will be going in with the same way that I went on with Bybel. I'm bringing this up a little bit higher than I did with Bybel, just to form a gradient, since it's a lighter shade. Now I'll be going in with a smaller fluffy brush. This is the Sigma Firm Blender E44. And I will be going in with Bowie on the under parts of my eye. Next, I'm going to take that same shade and then I'm going to bring it to the outer corner of my eye just to blend it in with the lower section of our eyes. I'm also bringing it into my crease to define my eyes a little bit more since it's a darker shade. I'm going to blend these shades together with the same fluffy brush that we used for our base. And I can't stress to you enough that the amount of blending that you do to your look will translate to how good your eyeshadow is going to turn out in the end. Well, hi puppy. I don't know if you can see my dog, but he just came and gave me a toy. All right, now I'm going to go in with this flat brush by Morphe. It's the M124, and it is in the James Charles brush collection. I'm going to be going in with Bare once again. And I'm going to pat that on the inner part of my eye. Okay, so with the same flat brush, I'll be going in with Mandala on top of Bare. And be sure to pack it on top as well. I'm also bringing it a little bit to the inner corner of my eye since it's very sheen. And once again, with the same flat brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Jode. I will be placing Jode on this portion of my lid. I made sure to go underneath where I put Mandala. I put it up a little bit higher on purpose so that you could still see that sheen a little bit above the Jode. So I'm feeling a little glittery today, so I'm going to go in with OA, and I'm going to go in with the same flat brush and patting that on the center portion of my lid. I'm not sure if you can see how glittery this is on camera, but in real life it is very glittery and I am living for it. Going back in with the big fluffy brush that we used for our base, I'm going to go back in with Bowie in the outer corner so we can make a contrast between these two shades. I'm also going through it on my crease as well. To darken the outer corner, I'm going to be going in with a black shade from another palette, and I'm just going to smoke it out just a little bit in the outer corner. Now I'm going to be going in with the shade Bali. I'm going to be putting that on my inner corner and also on my brow bone. Now I know it's a little bit messy right now. We're going to clean it up, but this is just how the process goes. So this might be a little risky and I might hate it, but I'm gonna try going in with Aura underneath my eyes and see how that will look. I've just been dying to use this color and it's happening. So here we go. Ooh, I'm a fan. Okay. Okay, Aura. I see you. I see you. Oh, you're beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna be back. I gotta go grab my big fluffy face brush. I'm gonna take off the excess fallout that ended up on my cheeks, and then we will clean it up with concealer. Okay, so I wiped off the excess with a big fluffy face brush, and now I'm going to clean it up with some concealer. I've got my Tarte Shape Tape and a little tiny beauty sponge that I will be using to do that. Okay, so now that I've cleaned up my eyeshadow, I decided that I want to add another color. And I want to go in with Chai again on my lower lashes. Bam. Okay. Hey, so if you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much, by the way. Leave a purple heart in the comments, and I will give your channel a shout out in my next video. All right, back to the video. Now I'm going to do my eyeliner and then put some lashes on and we'll call it a look. Y'all, I have a German Shepherd puppy and he is getting into trouble. I don't know what he's doing. Ruger! Come here! Are you in trouble? Are you doing bad things? Are you doing bad things? Say hi to everybody. Can you say hi? He's so sweet. Hi. I love you. Don't lick the microphone. That's his way of giving you guys a kiss. Sorry. Stay in here so I know you're being good. Yes, I just kissed my dog on the lips. Nope, I don't care. I don't care because I love you. Yes, I do. I love you. You're a good boy. Alright guys, that is the completed look. I put on my liner, lashes, and I did some contouring and some lipstick. If you like this look, please like this video and leave a comment down below telling me you stopped by, and then also don't forget to subscribe. Alright, until next time guys, XOXO.